Hi guys, so welcome to the next question. So in this question, we have to just calculate the power of any number. Like if we have, we have to calculate like if we give x equal to 2 and x equal to and n equal to 4, then we have to just find 2 की power 4. Then we have to just calculate 2 की power 4. So that you get 16. Okay. So you have to just calculate the power. So you have to just follow the factorial question, because somewhere some similarity are presented in this question somewhere, so that you can refer to factorial question and try itself and then watching my solution. Okay, so we are going to solve this question. So in this question, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate power of x comma n. Like if we have 2, then we have to calculate power of 3. So like if we have power of we have to calculate power of 2 comma 3 3. So we have to calculate 2 की power 3, 2 की power 3. So this is our expectation, what we want, and this is our big problem. What is our smaller problem? Our smaller problem is this: if any function can give this, then can we figure out 2 cross 2 cross 2? Can we find 2 cross 2 cross 2 if any function can give this value? Yes, this is our smaller problem. This is our small problem where we have to create our faith. So uh, so so this is our expectation, and our what is our faith? Our faith is for a smaller problem, which is power of x comma n minus 1, which is power of 2 comma 2. So power of 2 comma 2 will give 2 multiplied with 2. So can we create our expectation? Our expectation is this: can we create our expectation using this faith? Yes. What we have to do? We have to just multiply x. We have to just multiply x again with power of x comma n minus 1. Here 2 multiplied with 2 again, like 2 multiplied with power of 2 comma 2 again. So we can find x multiplied with x 2n minus 1, 2n times. Okay, so we again multiplied with x to find out our expectation. In general, what we have to do? In general, our expectation is we multiplied x to n times, and our expectation is we get our faith is x multiplied with x to n minus 1 times. Okay, so our expectation and faith will meet here, so that our expectation will fulfilled, where x multiplied with again this x multiplied with x, so that our faith and expectation will meet, so that our result will show. So we apply this approach to our question so that we can solve this question. So here what we have to do, we have to take some value like this, and then we take integer n equal to cn dot next int call in the function where we give, so we are, and also we have to take x where we have to put the power, the cn dot next int. So here in the power we have to pass x comma n, and we have to store this result. System dot out dot print this result. So this is result. And here, what is our faith? Here, what is our faith? Our faith for a smaller problem. So we want to calculate power x comma n minus 1. This is our faith. And we store this faith result into power n minus 1. Power n minus 1 in this. And we again multiplied result 1 equal to multiplied with, at this stage our faith and expectation will meet each other, and we return this result 1. So what we have to do, what I'm doing here is, like if we want to calculate power of 2 की power 5, then this is faith, like we get from power of 2 comma 4, because when we give n equal to 5, then here 5 becomes 4, and power 2 comma 4 will our faith, and then it will know how to calculate 2 cross 2 cross 2. Okay, so we get result in, and so this is your faith, and this is a stage where we have to expect our value 2 की power 5. For this we multiplied x again. This is our x again. So we multiplied x again here in this part. So we get 2 की power 5, and we return this 2 की power 5 as in result. Okay, so you understand what I am doing here? So we have to find our base condition. How we can find our base condition? We have to just go and try run on the stack so that we can find our base condition. So this is your base condition. Okay, so this is your base condition. Okay, so we have to just put in try run so that we can understand our base condition. So here we take yes, here we take integer x and we take integer n, and we pass this in this function, and we get here, like we take integer 2 and we want to calculate 2 की power 4, and here we pass 2 and here we pass 4. Okay, and here, so this is line number 1, this is line number 2, this is line number 2, and this is line number 3. Okay, so initially what type of variables we have? We have x, we have n, we have result 1, we have pn1, sorry, we have pn1, and we have result. Okay, so initially what is our x? Initially x is 2, because we pass x is 2. Initially our x is 2 and n is 4. And what is pn1? Initially our pn1 will not. So initially our x is 2 and our n equal to 4. When the line number 1 will run, then our value 4 becomes 3 and call in the next function where x is same and 4 becomes 3. 4 becomes 3. And when the line number 1 will calling up this function, then 3 becomes 2 and calling in the next function. And the value comes as a 2 because 3 becomes 2. And when the line number 1 will call up this function, then the 2 becomes 1 and called in the next function with value 2, because x is same here 1. And when the line number 1 will call up this function, then n becomes 0. N becomes 0. This is our base condition. This is our base condition where we have to give return 1. We have to return from that point and give value 1, because the power of 0, because at every value like 2 की power 0, 3 की power 0, we find 1. Okay, for any value the power of 0 will always return 1. Okay, so when we found our base condition, like if n equal to 0, then we return 1. Okay, so we return 1 from that position. When we return from that position, so the line number 2 will run up this function where x equal to 2 and n equal to 1. So here we get our faith result, which is 1, and we multiplied 1 with our result, with our x, and x is 2. So when the line number 2 will run, then 2 multiplied with 1, and we store the value in result 1. And when the line number 3 will run, then this result 1 2 will return to previous function which called to make this 1, and then we return this 2 to the function and wipe out this function. When the line number 3 will run up this function, and this function will wipe out and return this 2, and we get this 2 in faith result, where our pn1 will get this 2 and multiplied in when the line number 2 will run up this function, then we multiplied this faith result, which is pn1, which is 2, and we multiplied with our x, which is equal to 4. Okay, which is 2 square, So we return this when line number 3 will run for this stage where n equal to 2. So this result will return to this stage where we get in this result, in the faith result. So when the line number 2 in the faith result where we get 4 means 2 square, and when the line number 2 will run up this function, then 2 square will multiplied with 2 again, so that we get 2 ki power 3, which is 8. And when the line number 3 will run up this function, then this 8 will return at here faith result. So in the faith result of this function, so here we get 2 ki power 3, and when the line number 2 will run up this function, then 2 ki power 3 multiplied by 2, and we get 2 ki power 4. And we return, when the line number 3 will return, then we return 2 ki power 4 to main stack, and main stack will wipe out, and all functions will wipe out when we return, so that all function will wipe out. Okay, so we get 2 ki power 4 as an answer. Okay, so that we want from that function. Okay, so we have to go on code and we have to put that base condition, and the base condition is what? If n equal to 0, then we have to return 1. Okay, we have to just go and put the base condition. If n equal to 0, we just return 1. Okay, and we just execute this question. So this is accepted, and please submit this question. So this question is submitted. So thank you for watching this video, and please share this video and subscribe this channel, and thank you.